process of installing face shield lung bags and individual face shields is the same for all Prestan mannequins. Today, we will demonstrate with a professional adult. First, open the torso by gently releasing the tabs at the shoulders. Remember not to pull hard or overextend the tabs, as this may stretch the plastic over time, compromising the tab's ability to lock. Next, fold the lung bag vertically along the dotted lines, so that the lung bag looks like this. Tilt back the head and insert the lung bag through the mouth and neck. Then pull the lung bag down. Secure the face shield at the ear pins. Lightly tug on the lung bag to help open the mouth hole. Center the lung bag on the chest plate. The neck of the lung bag will have some slack. The small hole in the neck allows air to escape for deflation. Close the torso and snap shut the tabs. You are ready to train. If students will be sharing a mannequin, you can provide individual Prestan face shields, which secure to the ear pins. Or if you're using a CPR training mask, Prestan offers CPR training valves. Remember, lung bags, individual face shields, and valves should be replaced after each class. All these products can be purchased from your Prestan authorized distributor.